Hi, I'm Megan for the Megan Scott Real Estate team, and I'm here at our fantastic new listing at 3585 Ash Row Crescent in the desirable community of Erin Mills. This spectacular turnkey semi-detached home is nestled in the desirable community of Erin Mills. This high-demand location is in one of the most desirable areas in Erin Mills and has a complete privacy overlooking the Glen Erin trails. Highlights of this home that's renovated and move-in ready, has a walkout basement and a potential in-law suite. Inside, you will see plenty of space, perfect for young families. Follow me, and I can't wait to show you around. Upon entering, you'll be welcomed with a large foyer and closet. The main floor features modern finishes throughout and a bright open concept, extra large L-shaped living room and dining area, ideal for entertaining. Wood-burning fireplace, hardwood floors throughout the main and upper levels, updated staircase and railings, freshly painted, crown molding, pot lights, and a renovated eat-in kitchen with newer stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and a beautiful backsplash. The special thing about this property is that it's been exceptionally maintained by its owner. As we move up to the second level, you will see a spacious primary bedroom that includes wall-to-wall closets and a beautiful walkout balcony to have your morning coffee. Second level laundry, spacious bathroom with heated floors, additional bedrooms with a generous size. The lower level features a walkout basement. It is complete with a separate room and a three-piece bathroom, as well as a large living rec room area for extra entertaining. This space is ideal for an in-law or nanny suite. Lastly, you can walk out to this private backyard that includes a large gazebo, mature trees, and is backing on to the Glen Erin trails. You have all the amenities you need right at your doorstep, close to schools, UTM, parks, and shopping with convenient access to Clark's and Go and Erindale Go stations, public transit, as well as highways 403, 407, and the QEW. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. I hope you enjoyed this tour, and for more information on this family home, please visit meganscottteam.com or give us a call at 647-232-7743.